During this session I'm going to be talking about the enhanced greenhouse effect. Now, as we already understand, the greenhouse effect is a naturally occurring feature of planet Earth and actually has been quite useful for us. But more recently, due to the influence of man, the greenhouse effect has seemingly gone out of control and is the cause or the root cause of global warming. So what we're going to do is try and look at some of the causes of the greenhouse effect, and specifically the enhanced greenhouse effect, which is the man-made side of things. To start off with though, let's be honest, there are a number of natural factors which affect the greenhouse, and these could be increased solar flare activity, the Earth's precession or wobbling and eccentricity as its non-circular orbit around the Sun, volcanic emissions. There's an increasing number of volcanoes overall worldwide at the moment, and continental drift causing weather changes. All these factors can be taken into consideration, but it's widely accepted that the key causes are that of man. So let's look at those in a little bit more detail. First of all, human factors, industrial emissions. So all industrial emissions covers lots of things, but really we're focusing on anything involving fossil fuel combustion. That fossil fuel combustion could be due to residential heating, transportation, utilities, commercial heating. It could be from the burning of fossil fuels to produce electricity, which then goes in turn to heating and running different firms overall. But this is the key producer of carbon dioxide. There are also some other factors. Deforestation is often cited as one of the major impacts, and deforestation has a twofold effect. Number one, the burning or decomposition of tree stumps releases carbon dioxide. This is true. But once the trees have been removed, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere can no longer be processed through these trees and stored and locked away. So we lose an important carbon storage feature. Further IB identified issues, so these are ones which I want to highlight because it's what the IB has highlighted. The reduction of ice cover changes the albedo and therefore increases the rate of heat absorption. So there's two features there, changing the albedo and increasing the rate of heat being absorbed. And this is obviously a self-perpetuating situation. As the temperature increases, so furthermore does the amount of ice decrease. Also, the increased temperature reduces the solubility of carbon dioxide into the oceans. As it happens, as oceans do in fact absorb carbon dioxide. So this absorption means that there's another storage of carbon dioxide. But as the temperature increases, what this causes is that the solubility reduces, so CO2 is actually emitted from the oceans as well as this temperature increases. Methane making matters worse. Another thing to consider is that of methane. So methane hasn't been highlighted by the IB, but should be mentioned nevertheless. Methane is also a greenhouse gas. This can be released by microbes under flooded rice fields that produce methane. Also, microbes in the stomach of cows release methane. And unfortunately, both of these features are likely to increase as the world population increases because the requirement for more food, so increase in rice fields and increase in cattle. So those are some of the key issues which are the causes for the enhanced greenhouse effect, which is thought to be producing global warming.